Welcome back to the channel. As you can tell by the title of this, we have a task today. I jokingly call it Mission Impossible. It's not that impossible, but it's definitely going to suck. I have a customer who just dropped off some wheels. He actually had the tire company drop off his wheels. It's now about 3 o'clock, or he dropped them off right at 3. It's about 3:15 now. We need to get these wheels done today. So gonna go get the weights off of them, valve caps or valve stems out, center caps out, and then get 2 of them into the stripper right away. Prep the other 2 the same way and get those in the stripper so we can get them blasted and coated. They're just going gloss black, so pretty straightforward. We're gonna knock these out. They have to be picked up tomorrow morning. So Molly's doing the pre-stripping inspection. She's making sure that everything's good on these things. These are off a 2020 Explorer. I don't normally take jobs like this. I ended up taking this one. This guy just bought this for his wife who's out of town, and I'm guessing she has no idea. So he wanted black wheels. It wasn't an option on the Platinum, so we are gonna make them gloss black for him. Let's get this going. Forgot to record this, so we got it at 3:15. It's our start time. Let's get it cracking. All right, got these things all chemically stripped. Again, just before 4 o'clock, so it's been an hour to strip all those, get them all prepped, and eat this lunch, even though they messed up my sandwich. Next step is sandblasting, so we'll get that going. Let's show you the clock here. It's about 8:30. Everything's done. Remember, we got these about 5.5 hours ago, so not bad start to finish. Not something that we normally like to do. This situation was a little different just because this guy's trying to surprise his wife with a new car that has black wheels on it. So, jobs like this cost a little bit more since we're putting them ahead of other jobs. Try not to do these very often just because it definitely throws off the rest of the day and maybe the work week if you cram stuff like this in there. But got a few other projects I'm going to get going on right now, and I guess let's keep going with this video.
Applied knowledge. Let's go. Yo, this is not just another weak sound. Put it down for the Cali underground. Cause we down for the herbicide. Deep inside, I'm a fine. Western Medi-Cali. Be the doctor for your mind. Yo, lazy days in California, born into a time when the right to see my breezy is a crime is not defined. Maybe I can see my Mary Jane upon the weekend. I pull it to my lips and start relaxing for the evening. Lazy days in California, born into a time when the right to see my breezy is a crime is not defined. Maybe I can see my Mary Jane upon the weekend. I pull it to my lips and start relaxing for the evening. Yo, into love, I've had for most my life. You stormy nights and back. Nights when we would lie and light a sack and write a track. Every day's a day for lesson, learning backs of burning waxes, turning, making magic happen on the tracks we work in. I'll be lurking for a reason just to bust you in the bum rush. I've done much to flush the dust, to us it seems untouched. I talk too much, I rock too much, I'll spit with ease when the resin resonates and escalates with sticky trees. Man, I love sticky trees, it leaves me easy, ride a style of treasure, round and rhyme and miles and Medi-Cal, we rap it well. The most to tell you, same exact, so focus well, we came to rap, we came to the blazing sack and hit the map and take the flavor back. I'm laying back, I'm talking about the inhale. Just chilling on a Sunday, watch the dog chasing his tail. My plans could never fail if I don't make my aspirations too high. How high? At least an ounce of elevation. So don't take it there, just make it square player and learn to step a lot. Earn the best of pop, beat the box and receive the thoughts. Retreat the steps and walk with letters etched across the top. Saying I will never stop breathing until my last breath is stopped. Lazy days in California, born into a time when the right to see my breezy is the crowd's not defined. Maybe I can see my Mary Jane upon the weekend. I pull it to my lips and start relaxing for the evening. Lazy days in California, born into a time when the right to see my breezy is the crowd's not defined. Maybe I can see my Mary Jane upon the weekend. I pull it to my lips and start relaxing for the evening. I put it in my lungs, I feel the energy of everyone. As simple as a sedative in songs that were never done. Ever, son, never made it poppin' with a positive. You'll stop and live and take a puff, you'll find out what the problem is. Be honest, it's obvious that we will probably rip your squad a bit, but be optimistic, you probably do for a mic check up and a doctor visit. I prescribe the cannabis, we roll it fatter than an antler limb. Mice and Mr. Mez, we blowing grams in Amsterdam. This is not just another weak sound. Put it down for the Cali underground. Cause we down for the herbicide. Deep inside, I'm a fine Western Medi-Cali. We be the doctor for your mind. Now I'ma spit the gift and never trip because we got 'em. I'ma drop 'em like an autumn, leaving rock with lyrics popping. I'ma stop it on the paragraph, move it up, I'm riding on the currents of a currency. I'm flirting when I light a ball. Right or wrong, we play the game, the rules have changed, but who's to blame? Moving through your state with tune for slang, grew in fame. The crew that came to claim the reins and put an end to veering off, steering off in a different direction, a higher land to clear the cost. Lazy days in California, born into a time when the right to see my breezy is the crowd's not defined. Maybe I can see my Mary Jane upon the weekend. I pull it to my lips and start relaxing for the evening. Lazy days in California, born into a time when the right to see my breezy is the crowd's not defined. Maybe I can see my Mary Jane upon the weekend. I pull it to my lips and start relaxing for the evening. Lazy days, lazy days. Lazy days. Yo, lazy days, lazy days. Yeah, check it out. Look.
I dream about. Yeah, this is a fucking dream. You remember my old guys from the neighborhood?
Hey man, he's going into convulsions. Man, he ain't breathing. Hey, he's foaming out the mouth.
Bam, just like that, we are done. Another video up. I'm gonna edit this right now and put it up. I'm going to be putting up another video Saturday and Sunday. Should be going up on Friday. So expect the equipment video this weekend. There's a BBS RS build that I'm going to finish the video on. Finally doing the final assembly on those. Videos are going to be way more frequent just with this new style. So I guess look forward to those. Like, subscribe, comment, all the regular things, and we'll see you guys next time.
By now you should have at least known. It's funny, I'm mad famous for being unknown.
Oh, well, this is awkward. You're still here. Well, I guess watch one of these two videos. I'm just going to play some video games while you do that.